Hello, greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video tutorial, we shall understand how to take the stock on hand report in Axanta ERP. The stock on hand report provides us a detailed overview of your products and helps you to manage your inventory effectively. You can monitor available products, reserve products, and overall inventory levels with the help of the stock on hand report. To generate the stock on hand report, click on the menu and navigate to the inventory module. Then under inquiries, click on stock on hand. So in this resulting wizard, you can apply various filters such as selecting a specific warehouse, specific products, categories, subcategories, department, divisions, brand, and even suppliers to view the stock on hand report. So, based on the filters applied, you can achieve the stock on hand report. Additionally, you have the option to view the stock on hand report as of a particular date. So here, as you can see, there is an option of as of date. So you need to click here. Then here you need to select the date as of which you want to see the stock. So in case where you are viewing the stock on hand report as of a particular date, the system will give you this message that the cost amount may be inaccurate as the cost of the products is maintained at company level and not at warehouse level. So this means that if you are taking the stock on hand report by warehouse, so the cost amount in that might be inaccurate. And kindly note that this is only applicable when you are taking the stock on hand report as of a particular date. Then here you have the option to either get a detailed or a summary stock on hand report. So basically, if you will take a detailed stock on hand report, you will get a complete report of products, its quantity, available quantity, reserve quantity, along with lot and serial number as well. In the detailed report, you will also get the cost amount, stock value, and so on. Whereas, if you will take the summary report, you will get the information in a summary format such as products, its unit of measure, quantity, available quantity, reserve quantity, and so on. Then, in case where you are dealing in multiple unit of measures, let's say pieces, dozens, carton of 10, boxes of 50, and so on. So in that case, you have the option to take the stock on hand report either in the base unit of measure or in the reporting unit of measure. So this will be depending upon the setup that you have made on the product master. So first, let's take the summary stock on hand report. So here you need to click on summary and we need to click on view. So here, as you can see, this is the stock on hand summary report which is in the list view. Here you can see different columns like product, warehouses, then product category, division, department, unit of measure, reserve quantity, available quantity, what is the incoming quantity, outgoing quantity, forecasted quantity, and so on. Then here, as you can see, there is this icon. So if you will click here, there are all the other available fields that you have. So let's say if you want to view the brand details as well, so you need to just click on brand. So here, as you can see, this brand column will be displayed, and if you want to remove it again, so you need to go here and again click on this brand, so this column will be invisible. So according to your requirements, you can add these fields in the report. Now let's check the detailed stock on hand report. So that we need to click on detailed and we'll click on view. So here, as you can see, this is the detailed stock on hand report in the list view. So here you have various columns such as product, model, then unit of measure, then lot number. So if you are dealing in lot and expiry, so here you can see the lot number as well of the products, warehouse, supplier, product category, quantity, reserve quantity, available quantity, and so on. Then here you can see the cost price as well. Then here in the cost amount you can see the total inventory value of the product in this warehouse based on the cost price. And here in the stock value list price you can see the total inventory value of the product based on the sales price. Then here you have filters option as well. So if you will click on filters, you have add custom filter option. So here these are all the available filters. So by using these filters you can see the stock on hand report as well. So for example, if you want to see the stock on hand report for the brand Ballet, so for that you just need to go to brand, and here you can click on is equal to Ballet and you click on apply. So here as you can see, this is the stock on hand report for the brand Ballet. So similarly you can apply various filters and achieve the stock on hand report as per your requirement. Then you have the grouping option as well. So if you will click here on group by, here you can group the report by product, lot, warehouse, brand, department, and so on. And then here also you have the add custom group option as well. So let's say if you want to group this report by brand, so you need to just click on brand, and here you will see all the brands. So if you click here you will get all the details. Now you can also export the stock on hand report. So in order to export the report you need to just click here, then all the lines will be selected. So if you want to export all the lines you need to click on select all, then you need to click on action, click on export, and now this wizard will get opened. So here as you can see that these are the default fields that will get exported, but in case if you don't want any of the field to get exported you can just click on this delete button, so that field will be removed. And in case if you want to add any of the field, let's say department, so you need to just click on this plus button and this department field will be added, and at the time of export it will be in the Excel file. You can even search the fields from the search bar option as well. Also if you want you can save the template of this export file. So for that you just need to click on this template, click on new template, give it a name and save it. So now in order to export the stock on hand report we shall click on this export button, and now an Excel file will get downloaded. So this is the file which has been downloaded. And if you want to directly export the stock on hand report, so here you have the option of export all. So if you will click here, the Excel file will get downloaded. You also have the option to change the view of the report. So as you can see, this is the list view of the report. So let's say if you want to change the view to the graph view, so here you have the option. So if you will click here, the view will change to the graph view. Then similarly you have this Kanban view and you have this pivot view as well. The pivot view is the most recommended view for its effectiveness and ease of understanding. So here as you can see that in the pivot view by default the report is by warehouse. So now let's say that if you want a report by product categories and by warehouse, so in that case you just need to left click on this total, again click, and here also you get other options like brand, department, divisions, category, and you have other custom group as well. So we'll take an example of category. So you'll click on category. So now this is the stock on hand report by category. But now you want to see by warehouse as well. So in that case, you just need to click here again and you click on warehouse. So now this report is by category and by warehouse. Then you have this measures option as well. So if you will click here, you will find all the available fields. So let's say if you want to see the cost price column. So if you will click here, this cost price column will be available. So likewise, according to your requirements, you can use this measures field as well. Also, if you want to download this report, here you have the option of download as well. You can even save this current search. So for that, you need to just click on favorites, click on save current search, and here you can give the name. So for example, category by warehouse. And here you can click on share with all users and save it. So next time when you will take this report, this search will be already available. So for example, if you click here again, click on view, will change to the pivot view, and under favorites you will find category by warehouse. So if you click here, automatically this search will be displayed. So this is how you can take the stock on hand report in Axanta ERP.